how to speed up your Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you a really quick tip that'll help make your Samsung phone feel a lot faster. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to speed up our Samsung phone, we're going to be changing the speed of different animations and transitions on the phone to make it seem like it's faster. To do this, we need to enable the developer options on our Samsung phone, but it's really easy to do that. So to get started, swipe up from the bottom, select settings, then scroll all the way down to the bottom, find About Phone, then in About Phone, select Software Information. And then all you need to do is find build number and tap that around 10 times. You'll see it start counting down. Once you get asked to enter your PIN or unlock your phone, go ahead and do that, and then confirm you do want to allow development settings. So select OK. Now when we go back to the main settings page, you can scroll down and you'll see developer options, select developer options. And then in here, all we need to do is scroll down until we get to the drawing section, and you'll find window animation scale and all these different scale options right here. Just select them. You can either make them faster by going to 0.5, or you can turn them off completely. I'm just going to make them a little faster. And now whenever you do anything such as swipe up, it'll seem a lot quicker because those animations and transitions are a lot quicker. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.